Welcome to PFTV. Ngiphethe nengomashe. It's a 2-0 win to Orlando Pirates. Uzizwa kanjani namhlanje?
Ngiyagodola ndoda. But obviously sihleli lana just to discuss the Pirates and I'm happy that we won. But I think we could have scored more goals. Mina ngilezi ezikhalayo noma like ikukuhle. Because intanga vele yabo le game lilahlile. At least kube shaye 3 or 4 or 5. Izoba grand izosiza the game iphela. Yeah.
You blame Ubani for lack of goals. Do you blame Mbutuma, or was it the forward players, or is there anyone maybe who wasted chances today?
No, angibeki blame kumuntu ntanga like ukuthi game nje uyitholile uma sindi chance we can't put the blame on him, you understand, but I think first half sidlale kahle kakhulu. When we came to second half mase kushayiwa ama changes, I think sibe sayehlisa, we spoke about it. I think isehlise kakhulu mekumele sinyuse ntanga yabo, so akekho umuntu engamkhomba ukuthi who and who didn't do right, sekuthi nje like askoranga ama goal apha. Yeah.
Can we talk about the combination between Police and President Yama 2000 in Tanga?
Iphathi. First minutes of the game iyaqala ndoda on the left iphathi. Ngiyazo bathi undaba naye make up part of the party. I mean, I don't think. I think it was Police and really straight because those guys can find them each other. You couldn't identify ukuthi ubani odlala number 10 ubani ongadlala number 10. The next minute urilula number 10, Police is on the left. The next minute, vice versa. Police is number 10, really. It's on the left. Konuktola ma pass on the space in Tanga. The first minute of the game. Police, I think, Utola Police. We got Murem. Muremi couldn't capitalize. Second one, Iko Lugenza Galeganjan. Iko Lintanga, Batole and Futu, really, Watola Umbutum. That was a goal, and it was a nice part. It was a nice part.
And then we saw Muremi playing on the right wing today. He's been struggling, obviously, previous games. Thoughts on his game today? Do you think he improved slightly?
I think in Tangamabeti positive. Umuntu bakhuluma ngomremi. Ayileka positive mfethu. There even things are not working for him. That guy tries and tries and tries. That guy can take a ball manje adlise. Uzosukuma lo mjita yenze. That's what I like about the game yakhe and the way he thinks, you understand. So coming back to game ya vandag, I think it was better. Akaqalanga grand. That thing mekumela ishaye nama pass mekumela wenze kahle. But igame maselihamba mfethu, that guy chase for something. Nomunye umuntu mekazo. Muremi was there. I think udlale grand, but second half ube wayehlisa kancane, you understand. Yeah, but udlale grand today.
And then Umbatha Ntanga, I heard you keep on crying on the side. Young Town intention. Say Umbatha. Awutshela uMapagania, what do you think of his performance today?
Ama-talent awafani Mapagania. Ukhona umuntu otrepa kanje la eSouth Africa. Ngeke umthole. Lo muntu lo ukhona utrepa ibhola kamnandi, and mina I think the way apusha ibhola ngakhona Ntanga uright. I always say that. Mfethu lo muntu ukhava space esibhaya with the ball on his feet. Which that makes us ukuthi sibe dangerous because unokusuka la essence sombona sekanga ku final third ufuna abantu. That guy can find spaces aphasa abantu uyakhona nokushaya. Hayi ndangafanda ukudlale kahle kakhulu. Combination yakhe no Cash imnandi because if uCash ungene phakathi is playing an 8, Undaba is going to play a 6, vice versa. If uCash is playing a 6, Undaba is going to play an 8. That makes us ukuthi sibe dangerous in terms of ukuthi sibe ne structure in the middle of the park. Nombatha ukuthi akhona ukudlala angafili ngathi uspana kanzima kakhulu.
Beautiful one from Talent Umbatha. And then Umlungu Mnyama Ntanga, on his game, Utijong, what do you think of his game?
I think he didn't get a lot of balls today, you understand. Akakhonanga ukwathola. It was not a marvelous thing, but we understand. Ngithola usazo adapt. But Ntanga into engiyithanda ngayo ayiclever ngathi yakhona ukubamba amabhola. Ukufihla. Ngiyakutshela. And that thing is going to work for us because ngiyakutshela ama team apaya when they play us, they're going to play a low block. If you get Mina, for me De Jong, I know him as a number 10. If you get someone like De Jong, at least uzokhona ukusondela azosigama amabhola athole space. Uzokhona sometimes ukuthi bayitshela ukuthi uzobeka ibhola ibonda a10 ashaye. I think asimuphi isikhathi ashila amabhakani ukuthi 5 games asimuphe yona leyo 5 games, but awusazoyithola nda.
And then man of the moment, man of the match for you today, Mr. Mlambo.
Mfethu noma bathi awuboni mfethu awumbonanga uReal uyenzeni namhlanje. Umbonile lo mfana lo, I think second half on the left bamphasa ibhola uphasa ibhola ubheka le mfethu
Beautiful moment.
beautiful moment amavala wona uthini ngawo bekhala abantu ndanga
Naleli aliteka.
uyangithola mina I couldn't identify fandak futhi no really ukuthi mikadla lava you'll find him on the left especially first half find him on the left find him on the center find him on the right umthole yonke indawo ntanga ibgoal lakhe mfethu akumele ukorefensi umbhonzi ba ure sekhoneni ushaye neassist mfethu akekho ongabonanga ukuthi urile was a man of the match today.
There you have it, Mapagania. That's Nengo for you.
Bopa.